Just because of the pun. The Night of the Loving Dead.
No. The Night of the Loving Dead.
Yeah.
A horror romance by Hillary. Good luck. Take it away.
Thank you so much. Okay. The Night of the Loving Dead, a romantic horror by me, Hillary. Once upon a time, Gustav, a suave and debonair woman, who didn't have a bra that fit well, obviously, brought with her her girlfriend, Cheyenne, who was also suave and debonair, to go check out a house that Gustav had just purchased on their first date.
Cheyenne, are you ready to see the house?
Oh my God, that sounds like so much fun.
I know.
Cheyenne, who thought she was from the San Fernando Valley of California, actually was French. And said to Gustav,
I'm afraid I can no longer keep up this charade. I am not California.
Yeah, she had a really bad French accent, so instead, she really wasn't French. She was Swedish.
Woofda. Woofda,
Yeah.
Gustav. I do have myself.
Tell me your
of a
deepest
predicament.
secrets.
Well, Gustav, in Sweden, we learn English.
The two of them entered the house to check it out, but it wasn't like Gustav had remembered it when he had seen it in the daylight. It was dark and stormy on the inside.
Gustav, was it like this when you bought it?
I do not remember it being like this. It was sunny out, right? In here, storm.
Rain. Very strange.
Suddenly, out of nowhere, appeared Igor, the caretaker.
Oh!
Oh, hi, Igor.
Igor only looked out through his left eye. No, the other eye.
Hello, Gustav. It's so good to see you.
Oh, Igor, it's so good to see you too.
And Igor had this strange habit of always rhyming with everything that anybody said to him.
Igor, it is raining. Can you get the mop?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to clean up some slop.
Igor, it's lovely to meet you. How long have you worked here?
Well, I've been here longer than you think, my dear.
He's so cute, isn't he?
Igor had prepared a picnic dinner for the two of them, actually the three of them.
Oh.
I got us all Lunchables.
Oh.
Igor, my favorite. How did you know?
Well, I was at the supermarket and I did a Rochambeau.
Did you bring the finest juice boxes, Igor?
Yes, of course I did. Who could ask for anything more?
As Gustav and Cheyenne started to eat their Lunchable, they started to transform. First, Gustav developed a tick.
Gustav, your eye, it is so bizarre.
And then Cheyenne started to do a dance.
Oh, Cheyenne, that dance is so beautiful. Do you want me to join you?
I'm not doing this.
And then Gustav developed another tick. Igor thought this was hilarious and kept feeding them more and more Lunchables.
Eat, that's right, eat. This Lunchable has Swiss cheese.
I like it. Is good watching you through my eyes. It is like we are at a strobe light rave party.
Oh, keep eating Lunchables. They're very
Okay.
hearty.
Gustav, I've never learned to tap dance before, and yet, look at me.
You are so talented and beautiful. I want to eat Lunchables with you every night for the rest of my life.
Cheyenne was shocked by that proposal, but she agreed
Gustav.
nonetheless.
I have this ring
That's-
made out of one of the cheese slices.
I would love a cheese ring.
On the very spot, Igor decided to officiate the wedding of Gustav and Cheyenne.
I happen to be an ordained minister from American Marriage Ministry, so I can perform the ceremony right now.
And
Yes,
Gustav's
please.
vows went something like this. Gustav's vows went something like this.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
It seems that the bride and groom have written their own vows, so you start.
I did. Even though I didn't know I was going to propose, I always come prepared. Okay. I promise to love you and cherish you forever and have my servant Igor feed you Lunchables every single night. And we will dance together and I will watch you out of whatever eye just happens to be open at any given moment in time.
And Cheyenne's response was,
That sounds perfect, and I promise that if I ever am able to stop dancing, I will hug you and hold really still for the rest of our lives.
We can slow dance anytime you want.
I'm not sure I can.
That's okay.
and Igor, pronouncing them husband and wife, decided to eat their brains.
Bean!
Get the bride.
That's always the danger that you get with the Hillary stories, that she will make you dance for the entire story and be totally winded at the end.